Hey guys, how you doing? Today I'm going to do a quick windshield wiper change on the Lexus ES350. Don't know what year you have, but this is how you change the windshield wipers on this car. Okay, first you're going to go into the car, hit the ignition button. You see the steering come up, and you want to have the ignition on. But you're going to have to do this like really quick. Let me turn the air off. Hit it really quick like this. And then you turn it off like that, and then that will set the windshield wipers up in that position. Okay guys, also before you go to the dealership, you want to buy the parts, you could buy them either Toyota or Lexus. Not sure if you're gonna get them any cheaper. This one is the passenger side, this one is the driver side. Here are the part numbers. You can pause the video if you want to. This one is for the driver, this one is for the passenger. Okay, now you see right here, after you pick the wiper blade up, this little lid right here, you're gonna flip this up. Pop that up like that, then you pull the windshield wiper down like that, twist it this way, and then you pull it off. So as you can see on the inside right here, this is where it slides back on. In this way, up, put the tab back down, set it back down. You go into the car, turn the ignition on, and that will bring the wiper blades right back down, and you're all done.